In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare redirect loops. Redirect loops can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to ensure a smooth and secure experience for your users. They occur when a website keeps bouncing between two or more URLs, creating an endless cycle that prevents the page from loading. But don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools you need to resolve the issue and get your site back up and running. First, let's begin by signing into your Cloudflare account and heading over to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, select the domain that's currently experiencing the redirect loop. This ensures we're focusing on the right website and applying changes where they're needed. Next, navigate to the SSL TLS section on the left-hand menu and open the Overview tab. This is where we'll configure your SSL settings to stop the loop. The key here is choosing the correct SSL mode to match your server's configuration. If your origin server has a valid SSL certificate issued by a trusted authority, you'll want to select Full Strict Mode. However, if your server uses an SSL certificate that's self-signed or not fully verified, select Full Mode instead. And remember, avoid using Flexible Mode if your server is already set up to use HTTPS. It can lead to conflicts and cause the redirect loop we're trying to fix. Once you've chosen the appropriate SSL mode, give it a moment to propagate across your site. Now, still within the SSL TLS section, switch over to the Edge Certificates tab. Here, you'll need to temporarily turn off the automatic HTTPS rewrites feature. Don't worry, this is just a temporary change to help us isolate the problem. Once you've done that, reload your website to see if the redirect loop has stopped. If the issue persists, stay in the Edge Certificates section and temporarily turn off the Always Use HTTPS option as well. Again, this is just a diagnostic step. After toggling this setting off, test your site once more to check if the issue is resolved. If the loop is still occurring, it's time to look at your page rules. Open the Rules section in your Cloudflare dashboard and carefully review any page rules you've set up. Specifically, look for rules that redirect HTTP to HTTPS or that send URLs to a different path. These rules might be conflicting with your SSL settings, so disable or adjust them as necessary. After making changes, test your site again to see if the loop has been eliminated. Next, head to the Caching section, then click on Configuration and select Purge Everything. This clears any cached redirects that might still be causing the loop. Cached data can sometimes linger even after you've made changes, so this step ensures we're working with a clean slate. Once that's done, go back to the SSL TLS section and take a look at the Edge Certificates tab again. Specifically, review the HTTP Strict Transport Security or HSTS settings. The HSTS configuration should align with the SSL mode you selected earlier. If the settings don't match, update them accordingly. Finally, once your site is stable and the redirect loop has been resolved, you can re-enable the security features you temporarily turned off earlier. This includes turning automatic HTTPS rewrites and Always Use HTTPS back on. These features help improve your site's security and ensure users are automatically directed to the secure version of your site. And that's it. By following these steps, you should have successfully fixed the Cloudflare redirect loop issue on your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.